Northvolt is revolutionizing the electric vehicle battery industry right here in Sweden. Their mission? To create the world's greenest battery. By using renewable energy and sustainable materials, they're reducing the carbon footprint of battery production. Northvolt's Gigafactory in Skellefteå is a marvel, aiming to produce 60 gigawatt-hours of battery capacity annually by 2025. That's enough to power over 1 million electric vehicles. Plus, they're committed to recycling, ensuring that old batteries are repurposed, minimizing waste. With Northvolt, the future of clean transportation is not just a dream, it's becoming a reality.